KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car break down, you know to call. If your car break down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG, welcome to my YouTube channel. What we have here is a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm doing all that job on it, but I want to replace these trucks. The reason why I'm shooting this video, though I have other things that I'm doing on the car, is this truck is kind of crazy. By the time you get down here, this truck is not coming out. See? Even if you drop it down there, it's not coming out. That's the reason why I'm shooting this video, so that I can show you how to get parts here when you get down here. So what we're gonna do is let me try to get my jack somewhere. Yeah. Woo. Did you see that? This is crazy, man. All right, supposed to like go like this. I was trying to get my jack. There is snow all over the place. I almost slipped. That's behind the camera anyway. So, what I was saying, back again. So I'm going to have to pull out this axle for the whole thing to come out together. That's the only way to get this guy out, because when you try to push this down like this, there is not enough room for this thing to come out. So it's kind of crazy, you know. So I'm going to try to pull out that a CV axle, pull it out. Once I pull it out, then I'll be able to drop this truck. So I'm gonna go underneath. There is snow. Please bear with me. We had some snow in New York the other day. So let me go underneath. Then I'm gonna hit that shit out. Then we'll put this out. So this is the purpose for this video. So now I hit the axle. Well, I'm gonna lose this guy on the top there. Right on top here now. So we can drop this board. You need something else?
What day you think I could call you? It's because the belt. I think it's the belt, and it's something. I don't know if it's a pulley.
Yeah, we'll be open tomorrow. We'll be here tomorrow.
Are you tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Yeah. All right. See, even when you load the trucks, yeah. See, the whole thing fall down. There is not enough room for this to come out. That is just the issue. That's why you have to pull out the axle. Now we'll pull it down like so we can get this whole thing out of here. Madam, I agree to. Ahead. So, gotta see. See? Then the whole thing can come out with the whole thing. See? Now we have the struts out. This is one funny job. That is it. So we're gonna bring the other one and put it just the way we took out this. So we buy this what do they call it? FCS. FCX. So this is the one I bought. I didn't buy it, so don't hold me to it. Just making sure that they are the same. That's it. So we're gonna go back in there and put this boy just the way we took out the other one. So this is the purpose for this video, not to show you how to get to this place, but when you get down here, you don't know what else to do. Then now you know what to do. So we're gonna go back in just like so. We'll put this guy just like so. Then we're gonna bring this boy too. They both has to go together. One cannot go without the other one. Okay, here we go. I don't know what kind of make is this. I've never seen them make like this before. Alright. And you put that boy back in there like so. Lift it up. So at least you guys know what I'm doing here. So let me go ahead and fix up this thing. Then I'll bring you guys back, okay? KG, I gotta line up myself. There's snow all over the place. I don't want to fall. You got it. All right. So the axle is in now. See, everything is in. So I just wanted to show that, sure, in case you're doing a job like this and you come across the boat of this something of this shocks is 27. So before you do it, make sure you have a 27 socket. If not, you're gonna run into some big problem. So that's your biggest problem. How you gonna get this out? That was the reason why I'm showing the video. The video is practically because of that. Then you just put the shocks, put the swivel link. It's very easy. Just pry this guy down like so. Don't ever have to eat some African food. Because sometimes KG have to eat some African food to have some muscle. But this one don't even require African food. You can do some junk food, but don't eat junk food anyway. I'm not advertising you, advocating that you eat junk food, but you can use that to get away. So we're gonna tie this boy now. Once we tie that boy, that's it. Then now, when you lose that, don't forget to put this plate right here. It's a little plate. So I'm just gonna hook that back up and we'll wrap up this thing. And see that KG? That's KG Auto. Put that boy back in here like so. We'll lift this guy up at the same time. Okay. Alright, I gotta move this camera. I don't want to block it. You guys can't see anything anyway. Alright. That's pretty much it on this video. Everything is back in now. Because the purpose of the strut wasn't losing all this. It was getting all this thing out. Then when you get down here, how are you gonna bring these trucks out? That was the reason why I decided to show that. So do you have any question, comments, whatnot, or you need to talk to KG, you will see the number on the screen right there. So till next time, KG saying sign off. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Appreciate you all. Bye for now.